My name is Lacey Merrifield. I'm the technology director. When I started 3 years ago, we kept our Chromebooks in cardboard boxes over the summer, and that's how I had to issue them out and find their chargers in Ziploc baggies. If they needed repairs, they had to find me in my office for me to see what's wrong, fill out a paper. Everything was done manually, and I'm a two-man team. We have right at 1,000 people in our district with students and staff, and so it was very time consuming. If I wasn't in my office, then kids were without a Chromebook, not being able to do their schoolwork, having to wait on us to get a loaner. I went to Lunch and Learn, and they were showing off a 5-bay tower called a Lock and Charge, and I was like, "Oh, what's this?" And the guy showed it to us. We demoed it, and I bought my first tower right after my demo was over, and that's how it started. It one tower that was 3 years ago. I now have 5. I bought one my first year, 2 the next year, and I just recently purchased my last 2, I think like 3 months ago. If they forget their Chromebook at home, they can borrow a Chromebook. They don't need a physical person. They just go up to the kiosk, they get it done. Then my assistant and I get an email, and we can check the towers at the end of the day and see what we need to send off or repair ourselves. And it just saves hours of time every day. In a day, probably easily 5 to 6 hours of my day. On an average, 25 to 30 hours per week in a 5-day work week. So find what your need is and figure out how the towers can fit that need.